Have you ever struggled with background noise during calls? Today, we're diving into a comparison between Krisp AI and NoiseTorch. Both tools aim to help you reduce unwanted sounds, making your calls clearer and more professional. They focus on removing background noise, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Krisp AI. This tool uses advanced AI technology to filter out background noise in real time. It works with any app, so whether you're on Zoom, Skype, or any other platform, Crisp can help. It's user friendly and requires no technical skills to set up. Now, let's talk about Noise Torch. This tool is open source and also targets background noise. It works by creating a virtual microphone that filters out unwanted sounds. It's a great option for those who prefer free software and want to customize their settings. So, what are the main differences between them? Crisp AI is more polished and offers a smoother experience. However, it comes with a subscription fee. Noise Torch, on the other hand, is free but might require a bit more tweaking to get it just right. When it comes to features, Crisp offers a clean interface and seamless integration with many apps. Noise Torch provides flexibility and customization, which can be a big plus for tech savvy users. In terms of pricing, Crisp operates on a subscription model, while Noise Torch is completely free. If you want something straightforward and easy to use, Crisp is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a free option and don't mind some setup, Noise Torch could be perfect for you. In the end, it all depends on your needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.